Alright guys, so today we're going to ride the elevator at the Falcon Park Recreation Center in Palatine, Illinois. And this used to be a ThyssenKrupp Signa4 with the Signa4 fixtures, but it seems like they replaced a button. So I guess we'll see if they replaced the inside buttons. But yeah, this is definitely newer. Hey guys. Nope, it's still original.
Two, please.
I already pressed it for you.
I know. Just being silly.
The one's burnt out.
Housewares.
The two's not. Have a good day. So now we're gonna ring the bell. So here's what the second floor looks like, and basically it's just like a track, and it opens up on that side. So now let's get a cat view here, and it doesn't seem like anything else has changed except for the fact that they replaced the button. So actually, you know what? Let's see if they did it up at the top. Anyways, there's your indicator, and the one's burnt out. Your key switches. Here are your fixtures. You ring the bell again, and your phone's down there. So yeah, we're gonna go back up to 2 to see if they replaced the button on that floor. Because the button because the call button on the first floor used to be a Signa4, but then they changed it. So we're gonna go up here real quick and see if it's changed. And yep, they replaced that one as well. But lights up red this time instead of whites. See? So now we're gonna have it down to 1. Watch the button going out. Or button go out. And we're gonna send that, and we're actually gonna send it back up to 2 because I think the motor room is on this floor. Yep, the motor room is. Alright. Alright, so there's your motor, and that's gonna be it. Also, fire alarm fans. You got System Sensor Spectralert Advance. So hope you enjoyed, and that's it. Oh yeah, also got FireLite pulse station. So yeah, I even forgot to point out that there's a Guard Wave Siren on the roof here. So for all you siren fans out there, there you go. You got the box, the antenna on it, the horn, and the strobe. And yeah, it only has one horn. So yeah, fire alarm fans or siren fans, there you go. So that's it.